Okay, y'all, we are getting so close to being done. You just have 3 more slides left. For the rest of the slides on Pear Deck, you're going to solve for each unknown number. Okay, so you're going to be finding the answer for all of these problems. Use the space provided to draw quick tens, a number bond, or the arrow way to show your work. You must show your work. I cannot tell you that enough. You have to show your work. I'm going to tell you, if you don't show your work, you can't really get the problem correct because you can get 2 points on this problem. 1 point is for finding the correct answer, but the other point is showing your work. So if you don't show your work, I can't give you the whole problem right. It's like only eating half a cookie, right? You don't want to eat half a cookie. You want to eat the whole cookie. So only writing the answer would be like half the cookie. You need to also show your work so that we can have the whole cookie, okay? Problem A says 18 plus 3. Problem B says 28 plus 10. And problem C says 40 minus 30. I'm going to show you a quick example about how to show your work, okay? So let's say I'm doing problem B. I'm going to show 28, and I choose to draw quick tens because I think that's the easiest for me. So I'm going to draw 2 tens and 8 ones. That is 28. 7, 8, and then I'm going to show plus 10. Remember, the quickest way to show 10 is by drawing another line, okay? Then I would count my tens and my ones. Oh, I have 3 tens, and I have 8 ones. That is how I show my work. They don't give you this big box for nothing. They want you to show your work inside that box and then write your answer. So finish these 3 problems by showing your work and writing the answer. And then you're going to do the last 2 slides, okay? Good luck.